Hello everyone! Welcome to Marvel in Tiny Hands. This is Iona. One of the spices which is most used in winter is pepper. Here I am with one of my grandma's recipes which is pepper chicken. Let's say you have shortage of time and at the same time you want to have something delicious. Then this recipe is perfect for you. Come on, let me walk you through the preparations. Heat a pan. Dry roast 2 tablespoons of whole black pepper, half tablespoon of cumin, 1 inch of cinnamon, 8 cloves and 1 star anise. For 1 kg chicken, follow the quantities I just mentioned here, but I'm grinding some extra powder for future use. Roast for 3 minutes in low flame. After that, transfer the same in a blender and powder it. Let's keep a pot on the stove and add a little coconut oil or any oil of your choice. Add 2 medium-sized onions and saute till golden brown. Add 2 chopped chilies along with the onion. When onions turns brown, add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and 1 Maggi cube and saute for 2 minutes. Later, add tomatoes and saute till it gets mushy. Add salt as per taste. Now let's add chicken and mix it well. Now add the turmeric. Now add the powder we made. Once potatoes are cooked, finish the dish by garnishing with coriander leaves. Pepper chicken is ready to serve. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Really appreciate your support for this Tiny Hands recipe. Thank you.